Sometimes your teacher may send you Microsoft Word documents. To open these documents on your mobile device, such as your mobile or tablet, you need to install the Microsoft Word app. To install Microsoft Word on your mobile device, first tap on the Play Store and search for Microsoft Word. Tap on Install and wait for the app to download and install. Click on Open to open the app. Sign in by typing your iLearn email. Tap on Work or School account and tap again on Work or School account. Type your iLearn email and password and tap Login. You are now ready to start using the Microsoft Word app. You can check that Word is logged in to your iLearn account by tapping on the profile icon.